Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about the formation of heart tube. So the heart tube is also known as cardiogenic tube. It is formed from mesenchymal cells. Let's have a look. So the mesenchymal cells, they arrange themselves in the form of cords, longitudinal cords, known as the mesenchymal cords or the cardiogenic cords. Then these cells they unite and form two tubes. Then canalization of these tubes take place, and that leads to the formation of two heart tubes. Now these two tubes they fuse together to form a single heart tube. Now let us have a look at the various components of this heart tube. So from top to bottom, this is your right and this is your left. The first part is truncus arteriosus, bulbus cortex, primitive ventricle, primitive atrium, sinus venosus. Now sinus venosus has three parts. This is the first part, then this part and this part. This is known as the central part, this is known as the left horn, and this is known as the right horn. So these are the parts of heart tube. Now let's have a look at the various structures that this heart tube gives rise to. So truncus arteriosus, it gives rise to abdominal aorta and pulmonary trunk. Bulbus cortex gives rise to smooth part of right ventricle and left ventricle. Primitive ventricle, rough part of both the ventricles. Primitive atrium, rough part of both the atriums. Now sinus venosus was comprising of three parts. So the central part plus the right horn, it gives rise to smooth part of right atrium. The left horn gives rise to coronary sinus. Now the question arises, from where does smooth part of left atrium forms? Answer is by absorption pulmonary veins. We will understand this in successive videos, but for now just remember this. So that is all about the heart tube and its derivatives.